wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best glucose monitors for pets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6, delivering speedy results in just 8 seconds, the ulticare vetrx ipet is a quick and reliable monitoring system, but switching between canine and feline patients involves swapping out interchangeable chips to identify which species is being tested. Replacement strips are affordable, however this one's not for smaller breeds and a large sample is required. At number 5, although the fastacare pet is strictly labelled for use only by licensed veterinarians, it's great to have on hand at the clinic or at home if you've got the credentials. It comes with a sturdy carrying case, 2 AAA alkaline batteries and a user manual. It delivers results in 5 seconds and has an easy strip ejector, but it's poorly suited to feline testing. Coming in at number 4 on our list. If funds are tight, but you and your loved ones are blessed with abundant patience, the everpaw starter kit may be your model of choice. Wrangling an antsy animal to run the analysis at home may not be as easy as handing the job over to the vet, but it's certainly cheaper. This one's exceedingly accurate and ready to use straight out of the box. However, its lancet is tricky to work with. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glucose monitors for pets, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. Compact enough for travel and jaunts to the park, the ipet Pro needs just small venous and capillary specimens to precisely measure canine or feline blood sugar levels, detecting and making error corrections in the process. It boasts a 98% accuracy and comes with a glucose chip and a quick reference guide. At number 2, extremely easy to use and specifically calibrated for both cats and dogs. The Advocate Pettest features a simple push-button design for changing its use from one species to the other, providing visual confirmation of your selection. No coding is required and it offers quick and easy reading. It's budget-friendly too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you think grappling with a frisky feline or rascally hound to try to check their levels or to qualify you for hazard pay, the zoetis Alpha Track 2 is a solid choice for getting the job done with minimal fuss and bother. It has an automatic on-off for faster testing too. This one comes with an instructional DVD and is good for frequent at-home checks. It's made with top-of-the-line components. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for glucose monitors for pets, or simply click beneath this video.